Let me show you where you get training. Okay, if you join Save Club, not only to save money on things you're already buying, but if you join as an affiliate, do that $60 investment in yourself. Please do so. It's worth every little penny that $60 contains. Okay, so let me shrink up here. If you have not joined Save Club yet, then yeah, go to the official link, joinsaveclub.org, and go ahead, just fill out this form here. Boom. Watch that little video too. You can see our founder. It's a YouTube video. It's about 6 minutes. It's fun to watch. Hit this orange button as well. And you know what? You're going to get an email from Save Club. And go ahead, you can join that way if you'd like. But I think you're going to want to do it. It's pretty darn cool. And guys, we don't have enough affiliates to sign up all the people that want to be members and affiliates themselves. All right, we're only 8 days old. Today's June 8th as I make this video, dressed in pink. I'm feeling pretty in pink, or kind of a light purple. But yeah, this is the back office. Now, after you join, this is awesome right here. See the Save Club training tab I just clicked? This is it. And you're going to see kind of this weird picture of a guy. I don't know what he's doing with his right hand, but I think he's waving at us and doing other things at the same time. But watch this video. It's only like a minute. You only have to watch it one time. It just kind of welcomes you to Save Club and what the training tab is. And that's what you're looking at. Now, hit this orange marketing materials button, and there's tons of video. All right, tons of pictures and banners, things you can use on Facebook, TikTok, any type of social media, Instagram. And that is on the training tab. So saveclub.com, log in your username and password, and just go up and down the old thing here, and you see training. There you go. And it takes you to this page. It's important to do so. Just watch the little video. But more importantly, get real good at posting. And if you don't know how to Instagram or TikTok or Facebook post, just go to YouTube. YouTube's awesome. It's everything. I think you can learn how to build and drive the space shuttle. Did they ever bring the space shuttle or the Concorde back? I think you can go to a YouTube video and they'll show you how to fly the shuttle and fly and land the Concorde. I just read yesterday they're making a brand new version. So I hope so. I'm a big fan of the Concorde, but nonetheless, go to joinsaveclub.org.